Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for Tuesday, the 28th of March, 2023, 8:30 a.m. Central Time. You're just opening in the cash stock market, so you're seeing how everything's coming in lower. It's not a surprise. We had an up day on Tuesday in a lot of the indices, so a down day on Tuesday makes sense. You're sort of stagnant right now in the energies, but just remember, in the crude, you are off the $65 level here by almost $8. That's quite a bit. Bonds and notes still adding some premium, slowly but adding it. The 2-10 years trading around 47. It got as narrow as around 40 just recently. Grain's getting a little bit of a bid. That's probably welcome to a number of farmers that may have missed hedging, something they might want to consider. The dollar down at the expense of the Austrian, the yen, the pound. They're all up on the day. Metal markets, gold regaining some leadership this morning, copper fairly flat, and the platinum market a bit weaker on the day. So what do we have today in the way of news? Well, the congressional hearings on the banking failure kick off. The head of the FDIC, the Fed head of supervision of banking, that's going to be very interesting, Mr. Barr there. I believe Janet Yellen is probably scheduled to speak, so we want to watch this. There's failures. How did they come about? What are they going to do to prevent them? We know what they did. Now, how do you stop them? Why weren't there stress tests done? There's a lot of questions. Red Book sales, as I said, they're running anywhere from 2 to 4% increase over last year. It's exactly what's still going. In the metro home area, we're seeing home prices down month over month 0.5%. However, year over year, they're still up 2.5%. And if you look at what's going on, the tech-heavy California area down in price. The East Coast, especially Florida, on fire in prices. Still, Florida prices are going up 10, 12% at a shot. I mean, I'm hearing bidding wars still going on down there. I have a lot of friends there. I had a home in South Beach, so I know the area very well. The Richmond Fed's going to update their monthly manufacturing index for February around 9. The Conference Board will work with their consumer confidence index. We'll see that at 9 o'clock today. We're going to get to Federal Reserve adjustments. This is a yearly adjustment to the industrial production capacity utilization. And at 3:30, we're going to get the all-important API numbers that'll give us an idea of where the energy is and what is going on there. So all in all, I think a pretty active day that you're going to be facing. Interesting how the stock market trying to break early on, coming back, and I'm very impressed that gold doesn't want to give ground at all so far. It's very overbought on the charts, not acting like a market that's got legs yet under it to really breach and stay over that $2,000 an ounce area. But given anything in the banking that goes wrong from this point on, you can get a pop out of that before you know what's going on. Remember, we offer an awful lot of free information for you, free offerings of charts, charting services, my different courses. How do you get all this? Just move your cursor up here, take you right to the homepage of Ira Epstein and Company, and take a look around. I'm Ira. You have a great trading day. I will catch you all at the end of the day. Take care.